Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this incredibly juicy yet delicious baked chicken recipe. Before we begin, please take a quick second to like this video if you enjoy, and let's jump right into it. Okay guys, all of the ingredients will be listed below. I'm starting with 1 stick of softened butter. The easiest way to soften this up is just pop it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, then it'll be nice and soft. I am adding some chopped rosemary and thyme. This is going to be like a herby flavor type of baked chicken. Also, I added some poultry seasoning. This is actually by Badia. I think that's the brand name. It's by Badia and it's the rotisserie seasoning. I just add 1 tablespoon of that in there. I am going to mix it together. Once nice and mixed together, I'll show you guys how to apply it on the chicken. Now this is the chicken, okay? I will leave all of the measurement below for you. I went ahead and cleaned this up with some lime, of course, and once I was done, I make sure I pat it dry very well. Okay, so I'm going to remove the backbone of the chicken. Usually I use a kitchen shears for this, but today I'm using a sharp knife. Just be careful when you're removing the backbone. Once you're done removing the backbone of the chicken, you are going to place your knife right in the center. Give it a nice splash, just like so, just to break the middle or the center, and flip it over and press the chest down just like so, just to crack it to make it nice and flat. Now I'm going to use my finger to lift up the skin. Now you're going to grab that herby butter and just squeeze that underneath the skin, okay, especially the breast part, which is the part that's usually dry once it's done cooking. So add lots of butter on that part. Now I'm going to flip the chicken over to season that part of the chicken. I don't really eat that part, but we have to season it, right? Okay, so I am going to use the seasoning right here. I'm using the rotisserie chicken seasoning and some complete seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika for color. So I'm going to mix that together with a fork, and here is the good part. You can taste this seasoning to see if you need more seasoning. always do, okay? Always mix your seasoning together, then taste it. If you need salt, pepper, just add it in. So this is a quick tip, okay? So this is it right here. Once, see, I'm tasting it right now. Told you so. Now I'm going to pat dry this side of the chicken, and then we're going to drizzle some olive oil, and then we can season. All right. All right, now we're going to flip it over, drizzle some more olive oil on the chicken. Then we're going to generously season this side of the chicken, because this is the side we actually eat. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, we're going to generously season this side. And yeah, once you're done, I'll show you guys what to do. That's how it goes. Okay, one step at a time. And don't forget to like this video as you're watching right now. If you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? You know you like this video, you know you enjoy it, you know you want to make this, so why you don't like the video? Okay, thank you for liking it. Now I'm going to grab my baking dish. I am adding some vegetable at the bottom just to catch the juice from the chicken. So I'm using celery, potatoes, and carrots. I'm going to lightly season it though with the remaining of the seasoning that I had. Just a little bit of it I had left, so I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. Once I'm done, I'm going to grab a rack, place it over the potatoes, and then place the chicken on top. Honestly, if I'm making this again, I will not place it over the rack, because I feel like it take a little bit longer to cook, because chicken doesn't really take that long as much as a turkey would. So next time I'm making this, I'm not going to use that rack. I'm just going to place it straight in the baking dish. I had some remaining of the butter. I'm going to place it on top. I don't know why, but I am going to bake this, guys, on 375 for about 45 minutes to like 50 minutes. Okay, once it's done, baby, this, and I didn't cover it. Okay, I did not cover this, by the way. And once it's done, this is what we're looking like. Looking beautiful, looking golden. The potatoes were super flavorful. Okay, this is what we're looking like. Super flavorful big chicken right here. Got to try it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you are going to try this out. And by the way, guys, I want to give a big shout out to all of you guys who always come through to click on my videos, to watch my videos. We are almost at 1 million subscribers. I cannot wait. It's going to be a party. I'm excited. I will be doing a giveaway. So keep sharing, keep liking, keep watching. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done so already. Subscribe so you don't miss out on my amazing recipes. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.